In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enforce two-step verification in Google Workspace. This extra layer of security helps protect your business by requiring users to verify their identity in 2 steps, keeping your data safe from unauthorized access. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Workspace. Once there, locate the admin console icon. This is your gateway to managing all administrative settings. Click on it and log in with your business email and password, then click Next or Sign In. Go to the Google Apps menu in the top right corner and select the admin icon. From here, navigate to the security section, where you'll manage user authentication and access control. Within security, click on authentication, then find two-step verification. Enable the feature by toggling it on. This applies the security measure across all user accounts in your organization. Don't forget to click Save to ensure the changes take effect. Step verification is now enforced, adding a crucial layer of protection. Make sure to inform your team so they can set up their devices and stay secure.